Hi, in this video, I will show you how to sync Microsoft OneDrive in your local computer. First, you need to download and install OneDrive application. From Microsoft OneDrive Online, on the bottom left panel, click select Get the OneDrive application. Download the OneDrive app and install it. After done install OneDrive, go to the Start and find OneDrive application. Please sign in with your email address and password. Select Next for default setup and choose Use this folder. Click Next for continue the setting. And open OneDrive folder to see the location. And done. You have synced Microsoft OneDrive to your local computer. Now you can start using it.